How to delete a wallpaper on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you delete a wallpaper on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to just go to the locker screen of your iPhone. For that, you'll have to just turn off your iPhone and unlock your phone by using your Apple passcode or Face ID. Alright, after you unlock your lock screen using your Face ID, you will get this kind of interface. From here, to remove an wallpaper, you'll have to just tap and hold on this lock screen. After you tap and hold, you'll be able to find a lot of profile or wallpaper you want to customize or you can delete from here. As usual, you can choose it from here, like you can choose any kind of wallpaper for your iPhone. So if you want to delete an wallpaper, you'll have to just swipe up from your lock screen. After you swipe up that profile or wallpaper, tap on the delete icon at the bottom. After you tap on that, confirm by tapping delete this wallpaper. And that's it. This is the easiest method. You can delete a wallpaper on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.